How to add Facebook comments to Webflow. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add Facebook comments to Webflow using the simplest method. Okay, so to add Facebook comments to Webflow is not difficult. What you must ensure is that you have upgraded your account to a paid version. This is because for you to be able to add the Facebook comment, you have to embed the code. And to embed the code, you have to use um a feature that can only be found in the paid version of the Webflow. So once you've upgraded your account and you've subscribed to Webflow and log into your Webflow account, and then once you're logged in, by the top part of the screen, you would see um uh your web browser. Open a new tab and type out the domain name for a site known as elfsite.com. Elfsite.com. Once you type out elfsite.com, you'll be brought to the Elfsite page. Ensure you create an account. Once you create an account, you'll be brought to the catalogs page automatically. Once you're on this page, in the search box, just type out Facebook comment. Facebook comment. Yeah, so once you see it, click on it and select it. So as you've selected it, you'll be taken to a page where you'll be asked to choose a template for your Facebook comment. What kind of templates do you want it to be, and how do you want it to appear? So here you can see that this is the template available. The network connection is currently bad at my place, but for you, you will see other templates options. Select the one you want. Or you selected the one you want, click on continue with this template. Then once you click on continue with this template, your template will be created, and then you'll be fed on that page where you can edit your template the way you want. Number of posts, you can change it to 23, you can change it to as many as you want. Then the current page, just change it the way you want, and then once you're satisfied, move over to the top right corner of the screen and click on publish. Once you click on publish, your widget to be published, click on a plan and then copy the code. Once the code has been copied, go back to your Webflow and then open up the account that you want to add Facebook comments to. Sorry, open up the site. Okay, yeah. So once you select the site, the designer would load, and then you brought your designer's page. Once you're on this page, next thing to do is move over to the left side of the screen, sorry, where you see some options, and click on the plus icon. Once you click on the plus icon, a list of options will be displayed as well. Scroll down until you see the embed icon. The embed icon or option is located under advanced. As you can see, this is it. And as you can see, I am currently using the free version of Webflow. That is why I cannot click on this. But once you've upgraded, you'll be able to click on this option. Just click on it, and then once you click on it or you drag it to the page, you see the option edit and all. You put the commit code into the slated box, and then once you input it in, automatically the Facebook comments would be added to your website or to your Webflow site. So it's that simple. Okay, go ahead and add that comment today. Thanks for watching.